Hey everyone, this is Awesome Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I'm going to show you how to use WooCommerce and FluentCRM together on your WordPress website. And this guide is especially for nonprofits organizations who want to handle their fundraising and donor information more easily and affordably. So many nonprofits find it hard to keep track of different tools for fundraising, sending email, and managing donor details. It can be complicated and expensive. We'll learn how to bring everything together to save money and make things simpler. So the problem is, they use a lot of third-party like fundraising platform and then contact management platform, something like a MailChimp or Constant Contact, and then some organizations just keep contact information with spreadsheet. And the solution here is, put everything in one place and handle everything, right? And then this can be really affordable. For this demo, so I'm using WordPress. As you know, it's an open source platform and it's free. And the FluentCRM plugin, so this is also free plugin, and WooCommerce is free. So again, the requirement for this tutorial is WordPress and FluentCRM and then WooCommerce plugin. And then we're going to talk about creating a donation and fundraising merchandise with WooCommerce and setting up automated email notification via WooCommerce. So the next one is I would like to talk about a CRM. We need to segment client or contact information. In this demo, so I'm creating a list for just the donors, and also creating tags, one for donation and one for merchandise. I'm going to be using a kind of water bottle, so I'm going to sell water bottle to raise money. And then last one is creating automation flow. Okay, so you can do this all free plugins. And also, I would like to show you the result. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so for this demo, so you need FluentCRM. So this is a free version. And then, so you need WooCommerce, so right here, okay? So those two plugins. So let's just go to WooCommerce and just go to settings. Now for this demo, so I'm not gonna go through every single tabs here, but basically you have to set up your store, so which is your nonprofit organization. And let's go to payment. Now, so I'm using a check payment or probably cash delivery for this demo. And you can, of course, connect with other like PayPal or Stripe. So I think I already have a Stripe plugin, and here. So if you want to use PayPal, I think it's a free plugin. So it's right here. So let's click that. So you can just add it to cart. I think that's a free. Yeah. So it says free to install. You can download and upload a plugin or just add it to store. So you can do that too. And you need just to make sure to enable this and then go through the setting up. Okay. So I'm not going to use that online payment for this demo. And the emails. So WooCommerce plugin has like automated email notification settings. So when new order happens, let's see. So I get notified. All right, so you can customize all of that, okay? And then let's, so when somebody cancel order, so I get notified, and then when order is processing, and then that notified to customers too. So you can manage and you can edit this email template. All right, so we need to add a new product. First, like a donation, and also like some fundraising items. So let's see. So when you go add a new product, go to product and add a new. And then just use the product name, some description, and put the price on it. Okay, so make sure you just select the simple product for that. Now, so actually I already created a couple of product already. So let's just go to all products. And then here, fundraising water bottles. So I'm selling water bottles to raise money, for example. Okay. So just to put the name of your product and some description, and actually you can put some short description here too, and then put product image. You just upload it, okay, and then just put price here, simple product here. So it's pretty simple, right? And then another product, well, it's not really product. I put the donation here. So donation, so I'm just putting a $50 donation. All right, so this is just one kind of donation. So this is not really practical, I would say, but if you want to have like real donation, so this add-on here or plugin for WooCommerce, it's called Name Your Price. So in this way, yeah, so something like that. Yeah, it looks like there's some drop down, pre-select donation amount, or they can just put the custom donation amount too. So there's a piece of plugin you can use something like this. And how much is that? So this is $3.94. It's about $4 per month. Okay, so annually $47 per year. So again, it's really affordable, right? So I'm not going to use this today, but you know, I would use something like this for nonprofit organization. And if you go to front end store or shop, you can list all the your items, including donation and the water bottle too. Again, you can customize this front end store, make it more nicer looking too. Now, so let's go to a CRM part. So let's go to CRM dashboard. Okay, so this is the same WordPress site, all right? And I have 214 contact here. Now I need to create automation for this donation process. So let's go to donation. Now you can create from scratch here. And actually before automation, I need to segment the list and put the list and tags. So this is really simple. So I would like to just collect all donors in one list. So, so I created, it's called donors. You just hit the create list and then type, you know, donors list and then hit create. So that's all. Okay, so I already created this. And the tags as well, it's same thing. You just hit the create the tag and put the title, right? So in my case, I got just a donation and then water bottle. You know, I want to kind of separate the customers who just donate and then who purchased the water bottle. Okay, so I can just segment those different clients. Okay, and go back to automations. Okay, so let's create a new automation here. So I'm gonna just put the name fundraising for cause number 1. So as you see, there's WooCommerce trigger here. Okay, so let's go here. And then, so let's start with the new order. So when somebody donate or start purchasing a water bottle, it triggers it, all right? And the next one is, I'm gonna add another action here. And I'm gonna pick apply a list, okay? And then the description will be, so I like to add buyers to the donor list, okay? And I'm gonna pick donors, right? So that's it, and then save settings. So this way, people who purchased or put the donation, and then all the transaction was made, and then automatically the buyers goes to donors list. So another thing is, so after that, I like to put the conditional action. And then, so what I want to do is, so I like to put if the buyers select the donation, and then, so here's the condition. So the WooCommerce and the purchase product, so include in the donation. Okay, so that's the condition. I'm going to hit the save. And if it's yes, so I'm going to add a condition, add an action, which is apply tag. Okay, so which tag? It's going to be donation tag, right? And if it's no, so nothing's going to happen. And then, so another thing is, so I'm going to put another condition for if buyers. So if buyers selected a water bottle purchase, And then other condition, so it's going to be WooCommerce, and purchase the product, it's going to be fundraising water bottle merchandise. Okay, and then hit save. And if that's yes, so I'm gonna add new tag, which is water bottles. Yeah, here. Okay, and then hit save. And this is not done yet. So let's say, so it's kind of nice to send a thank you email automatically. So let's do that. So you can do that too. So let's hit add action, and then here, so you can create a custom email, or you can actually set sequence emails too. But let's just use just a custom email. All right. So this is gonna be like thank you email. So email subject is going to be just a thank you for your generous support, and you can just put some content here. Oh, actually you can create a template too, so different template. And I'm going to just use simple classic editor plain email for now, and it's just going to put some content here. Okay, and you can put some dynamic field here too. So I'm going to just put first name, and I'm going to say hi, the contact first name. Okay. All right. So I'm going to just put my name here. All right. And you can go ahead and send a test email. This is actually a good feature to have. Set custom from name and email. So if you click that, so by default, the admin email and the name is going to be kind of selected, but you can put your custom email, like maybe you want to put the different staff name and different your staff email address, so you can customize that. So I'm going to just leave this unchecked for now, but just to let you know, there's a nice feature for that. And I'm going to just hit save settings. All right, so you can keep adding new, there's lots of triggers, lots of actions here. For example, if you want to send email campaign, wait for a certain number of days, and then send the email campaign later. So you can automate all that stuff. All right. So I'm going to just close this. I'm going to just finish this. So I'm going to pick end this funnel right here. All right. So and hit save. All right, so this is great. So if somebody purchase or donate or purchase the water bottle, the contact goes to the donors list, and then so if that was a donation, automatically put the donation tag, or and if somebody purchased the water bottle tag is going to be applied automatically. Then send a thank you note. And then it's done. Okay, so it took me just a couple minutes to just create this kind of workflow, right? All right, so let's try this. I just use a private window here. It's not like this user is not logged in, and I'm gonna put some donation here. Okay, and also buying a water bottle, and go view cart. All right, so I'm spending $75 total. All right, and then just gonna go check out. All right, so just put the information here, and then so just use a check payment for now, and then go place order. All right, so that's the confirmation here. So let's check out the email. So I got the 2 emails here. And as you see, so that's a new order. So this came from the WooCommerce system, right? So I got the order confirmation as well, right? And now, so let's go to WooCommerce, and we got order. So as you see from Don Smith, it's on hold. So let's assume that I just received a check from Don or cash. So I'm going to change the status to where to go? Payment completed, and then hit update, and let's check out. So here's the email. So once again, so confirmation email came from WooCommerce plugin, and then now, so from CRM, thank you email came from the CRM system. All right, so it's working. Now, so let's check out the CRM. All right, so now, so 215 now, so it was 214. So let's check. So Don's name is right here. And then here, so Don opens the email. It was red. All right, so it shows that too. Now, the list is now donor. And then because he donated and also bought a water bottle too, so now there's the 2 tags included. Okay. Now, the another thing is, so now we have this called the purchase history because we integrated with WooCommerce with this CRM system. And then now if you click that, so you will see his purchase. It was today. Okay, so 24th, 2024, which is today, 24th April. All right, and you can actually view order. Click this. That takes you to, I think, yeah, so WooCommerce database here. And then you can just check his purchase history. I think this is great. So as I said earlier, so it's free. The WordPress is open source platform. It's free to use. And the WooCommerce, I'm using free version, and then the CRM plugin is also free, and you can create something like this. All right. One note is like again, for nonprofit organization, donation is important, and something like this, that name your price. I said earlier, so you can create a better user interface for donors. I would use that. And then this is super affordable, less than $50 a year to use this kind of plugin. And this nonprofit CRM system that I've been kind of compiling together with WordPress. And just remember that you can eliminate or replace with MailChimp or Constant Contact because this CRM has all the capacity. You can send out newsletters or campaigns within this one CRM, and of course you can get rid of that spreadsheet or Excel file if you are organizing your contact list. All right, and then I also created how to organize your volunteer list as well, different tutorial, so you can check that out as well. So yeah, hope this helps, and see you next time.